Today we are going to solve question number 6 to question number 11 of exercise 4.3 chapter pair of straight line standard 12. Okay. The question number 6 is given, find the value of k if the following represent a pair of lines. Okay. 3x square plus 10xy plus 3y square plus 16y plus k is equal to 0. Now I can compare this and find the value. So I get a is equal to 3. What is 2h is equal to 10 means h is equal to 5. Okay. Now b is equal to 3. Here x term is missing. So what will come here? G is equal to 0. Okay. Now 2f is equal to 16. So x is equal to 8 and c is equal to k. I will find out the determinant of this. The determinant is a, h, g, h, g. Okay. I already given in the important note. This is b, f, f and c is equal to 0. Now I am substituting the value. What I will get? A is 3, h is 5 and g is 0. Okay. Now h is again 5, b is 3. Okay. f is 8. Now what is the value of g? Is again 0. Then f is 8 and the value of c is equal to k. You know how to find out the determinant. So I will take first 3. This will be 3k minus 64. Okay. Will come here minus 5. Okay. Now I will solve this one. 5 into k is 5k. Okay. Is equal to 0. This will be 9k minus 3 4 ja 12, 192 will come here. Okay. Minus 25k is equal to 0. Now what will come here? 192 minus 16k. Okay. Is equal to 0 because minus 25k and plus 9k is equal to minus 16k. Now I will transfer this number to that side. What will get? 192 is equal to 16k. So what is the value of k? Is equal to minus 192 upon 16. 16 12 ja 192. That is k is equal to minus 12. This is the required answer for k. Okay. You understand? First find out the value of all the terms and find the determinant. You will get the value of this one. Okay. Now we are going to solve the same type of problem. Problem number 2. Here x square minus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Now I will compare. A is equal to 1. H is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now b is equal to 2. Then g will come. G is equal to 1 by 2. Now f is equal to minus 1 by 2 and c is equal to k. Okay. Now I will write down determinant. A h g, a h g, b a f c. Okay. Is equal to 0. Now I can substitute the value here. What will get? A is 1. This is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now g is 1 by 2. Okay. Now h is minus 3 by 2. G is 1 by 2. Then what is the value of b? Is 2. Then f is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is the value of f? Is minus 1 by 2. And what is the value of c? Is k. Is equal to 0. Now when I will observe all the rows, so I can take out 1 by 2 common from here, here and here. So I can write down here 1 by 8. What will come here? 2 will come here. This will be minus 3. This is 1. Okay. This is minus 3. This will be 4. And this is minus 1. This is again 1, minus 1, and k upon 2k will come here. Okay. Now I can solve the determinant by neglecting the value, because when I transfer 1 by 8 to that side, the 0 will come there. Now I am solving this. 2 into 8k, minus minus plus, but minus sign is here, means 1. Okay. Minus minus will be plus 3, minus 6k. Okay. Minus minus plus 1, plus 1 into, what will come here? 3 1 ja 3, minus 4 1 ja 4. Okay. Is equal to, I will write down here 0. 8 2 ja 16k, minus 2, minus 18k, plus 3, plus, what will come here? 3 minus 4 is minus 1, means what will come here? Minus 1 will come here. Okay. Now 16 minus 18, that is equal to minus 2k. 3 3 3 means 0 will come here. 2k is equal to 0, therefore the value of k is 0. Okay, this is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, now we are going to solve the question number 7, in which P and Q, find P and Q if the equation px square minus 8xy plus 3y square plus 14x plus 2y plus q is equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular lines. This is very important. For perpendicular line, I must know a plus b is equal to 0, means coefficient of x square and y square is equal to 0. I am substituting the value of this is equal to 0. Now I am getting p is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now I will compare the coefficient a is equal to p, means what is the value of p is minus 3, means a will become minus 3. H is equal to, what will come here? Minus 4. B is equal to 3. G is equal to 7. F is equal to 1. And C is equal to Q. Okay. Now I will take the determinant of this. A, H, G, A, this will be H, G, B, F, X, C. Okay. Now I am substituting the value here and equate with 0. So what will come here? Minus 3, minus 4 and 7. Okay. Now this is again minus 4 and 7 will come here. What is the value of B is 3. What is the value of F is 1. 1 is here. What is the value of C is Q is equal to 0. Now I will solve this. Minus 3, 3Q minus 1. Okay. Minus minus plus 4, minus 4Q minus 7 will come here, plus 7 minus 4 minus 21. Okay, 7 3 ja 21, 4 1 ja 4 is equal to 0. What will come here? Minus 9Q plus 3 minus 16Q minus 28. This is 25. 25 7 ja 175, but it will come to be minus 175 will come here. Okay. Now this is 16 plus 9 is 25, minus 25Q. Okay. This is 200 will come here, minus 200 is equal to 0. So what is the value of minus 25Q is equal to 200. Q is equal to 200 divided by minus 25. Therefore Q is equal to minus 8. These are the required values of P and Q. Going to solve the problem number 9. Equation of the opposite sides of the parallelogram are given. X square minus 7x plus 6 and y square minus 14y plus 40 is equal to 0. Find the joint equation of diagonal. So I will first split this by middle term splitting. Okay. Now the equation is given like this. So 6 1 means x square minus 6x minus 1x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I can take out the common. X will taken out common, x minus 6 minus 1 will taken out common, x minus 6 is equal to 0, x minus 6 and x minus 1. These are the 2 points. Therefore I will get x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 1. Okay. Now by middle term splitting of this, y square minus 14y plus 40 is equal to 0. 10 4 is 40. Y square minus 10y minus 4y plus 40 is equal to 0. What I will take out common? Y minus 10 minus 4 will take out common, y minus 10 will come. Sign will change. Okay, you know all this. Y minus 10, y minus 4 means I am getting y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4. Okay. Now what I will do here, now if I plot the graph of this, okay, now what will come here? X is equal to 6 means this line is x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 1 is this line. Okay, roughly you can draw. Y is equal to 10 is, understand this is y is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4 is this one. Okay, y is equal to 4. Now I must get these points. Okay, so what are the coordinates of this point? If I name this as A, B, C and D. Okay, now what are the coordinates of A? Okay, x coordinate is 1 because it lies on this one, and y is equal to 10, and 1 and 10. Okay, what is the coordinate of B? Again it lies on the 6 and 10. What is the coordinate of C? It lies on 6, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. Okay, and D coordinate, what are the coordinates of this? Is 1 and y is equal to 4. Now I can find out the equation of AC by 2-point slope form. Okay, equation of AC, you know y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, now I can substitute this x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1, 4 minus 10 is minus 6 and 6 minus 1 is 5. Now I will cross multiply. What I will get? 5y minus 50 is equal to minus 6x plus 6 will come here. Okay, now I will transfer here, so I am getting 6x plus 5y. Okay, minus 56 is the required answer. Okay, now the equation of, now I will find out equation of BD. Equation of BD. Again, y minus y1, y1 is 10, x minus x1 is equal to 4 minus 10 is minus 6, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. This will go. Now cross multiply. 5y minus 50 is equal to 6x minus 36. Okay. Now what will come here? 6x minus 5y plus 14 is equal to 0. You consider this as u and this as V, and solve by u into v is equal to 0, you will get the joint equation of the diagonal. So we are going to solve the problem number 11 in which the point of intersection is find out करना है x square minus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now I will write down the coefficient, means a, compare the coefficient. A is 1, okay. 2h is not given here, means h is equal to 0. Then b is equal to minus 1. Then g is equal to, this is minus 1 will come because minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. Then again f is not given, means f is 0 and c is equal to 1. I know the formula, point of intersection, okay, is hf minus bg upon ab minus h square, comma gh minus af upon ab minus h square. The denominator of both are equal. Now what is the value of h is 0, therefore this is cancel out b into g. G is 1, okay, means what will come here, minus 1. What is the value of a and b is minus 1, okay. Now h square is 0, means what is the coordinate of this is 1. Now g is minus 1, h is 0, means this is 0, minus a into f is 0, means this coordinate is coming to be 0 upon minus 1. The coordinate are 1 and 0. These are the point of intersection of the given